Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Natalie and I'm a Built Ambassador, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the new cookies and cream chunk puff. And if you are new here, I just wanted to let you guys know that I love the puffs over the bars, and there is nothing like the chunks, okay? Even the chunks on the bar is fantastic, and the chunks on the puff is even better. And I love the original cookies and cream bar. That is my favorite permanent flavor from Built. They did come out with the cookies and cream puff, but now it's the cookies and cream chunk puff. So I will have to say though, I understand that this is a chunk puff, but the packaging in my opinion is just a little confusing, because honestly I had to question it because it just says chunk, so then I had to go back to my email and it says chunk puff, you know what I mean? But I did already try this. I know I always try to wait to do my taste testings live, but I'm gonna be honest, I already tried it and it's a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. I will definitely be ordering a ton of boxes because they are so delicious. So if you like the chocolate chip cookie dough chunk puff, you're gonna love this so much. Even the coconut brownie chunk puff as well. Like if you like that texture of the puff and the chunk, but especially if you like the cookie dough chunk puff, I think you will definitely love this chunk. And I will say that this definitely beats the original puff because you just can't beat the chunks, and there's just something special about the texture when it comes to the puff and the chunk, or even the bar and the chunk. I just like love both of those textures together. They're just so yummy and good, and you just can't beat it. I will put up the macros here for you, but real quick, 160 calories and 15 grams of protein. I mean, what? So good, guys, so good. I've been saving my last 2 bars because I got 4 in the mail for samples, and I've been saving these, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to do my video because I want to eat one today. So here we go. Look at those chunks. So it actually looks like there's 5 chunks, and this is pretty chunky as well, and the other 2 has some good amount of chunks on it as well. I think they had about 4 on those, but this one looks like it got a little 4.5, I guess, almost 5. But they seem pretty consistent so far, at least with the samples that I got. But I mean, I won't be able to tell you 100% until I get like a full box about the consistency, but at least with the samples, they're pretty consistent, which doesn't always happen anyway, because sometimes my samples, if they have the chunks, sometimes they only have 2, 3, 4. I remember the one time the one had like 5 or 6, like, so they tend to vary, but these samples seem to be all consistent with the amount of chunks on it. So let's get into it. So good. Oh my god, I've been dreaming about eating this bar for days now since I tried it the first time. It is so good. With the chunk, it's almost like that's like the cream of an Oreo. And it tastes like an Oreo. Like, it's so kind of mind-boggling because it's like, how is this only 160 calories? And I am an Oreo connoisseur, okay? That was like one thing that I had during 2020 when I was losing all my weight. And I would do a cheat day once a month. I had to have Oreos. And I will say this tastes more like cookies and cream than I even would say that the original cookies and cream bar, and even the cookies and cream puff, because the chunk really gives it to you. Oh. See the little chunk? Oh my god, guys. This is going to be a hit. I would expect, if it was me, well, it is me, but it's going to sell out in my opinion. Like, to me, this is top notch. Right now, I'm obsessed with cappuccino. I just got 3 boxes in the other day, and I'm so excited about it. And I've been eating one of those every single day. Like, that and the peanut butter granola, I have been kind of going back and forth with, but the cappuccino has been my favorite since it's come out. Like, I can't put it down type of thing. And this is going to be a puff bar, you know, a protein bar that I'm going to want to eat every single day. And it's going to rival my cappuccino love because I love the cappuccino puff. It is so delicious. If they bring it back, I highly suggest to get a box if you haven't tried it. But they're going to rival with each other now when I get more of these in because they are so good. So I will have the date and everything below. You can use my link below. You can use my code. I'll finish this off camera. And I have another one, and I almost want to eat this one too. They're so delicious. You can use my code HKSOCKO. It will save you 10%. You also get free shipping. If you do decide to use my code or my link, I do get a commission. I highly want to say thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. It really does help support my channel, and it supports me. And I really do appreciate it, guys. I mean, I love doing these reviews for you. I love Built Bar. I've loved Built Bar since 2018, even before I started my weight loss journey in 2020. And I lost 100 pounds eating Built Bar every single day. It was honestly like my favorite part of my meal because I would have it sometimes one for lunch and one for dinner, or just with one of those meals. And it I don't know. I have such a with Built Bar and Built Bar as a company and everything, I have such fond like memories of my weight loss journey and my health journey because Built was part of it, you know, and I just want to share it with you guys. And that's why I do these videos, because I've been talking about Built forever before I even became an ambassador. So again, if you know you do use my code or my link, I really appreciate it, and I'm very thankful. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. It really does. Like, I don't know, I'm like lost for words, honestly. It just really means a lot to me. But yeah, so good. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. I think this is going to be, I would say, one of their top puff chunk flavors, in my opinion. I mean, I think this is going to rival cookie dough for some people, especially if you love Oreos, sandwich cookies. You're going to love this. Like, it's just a must-have. Definitely get a box. I think that's like the best part, is just get a box and try it out. You don't have to get, you know, 10 boxes. I'm probably going to order maybe like 4 or 5 because it's so good. So I'm really excited for this flavor to launch. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.